All right, so second wall, we really don't have to do any templating now that we already have this established. We're just basically going off of the pattern here, and we're gonna do the wainscoting straight out. So really it's just a matter of getting this laser all lined up with your existing tile, referencing that, and then continuing to lay out. So same process with the thin set, burn it into the substrate, directional troweling, and at this point, you'll be a pro at setting tile. You could even see right here, there's right at that point, and at this point, just slightly a little bit lower. So we need to ever so lightly cut this tile right here in order to get that to be even. So hexagonal tile, it's all about paying attention to those really small subtleties because it grows over time if you don't get it right away. This is just that little bit, made it nice and even across the points. Even there now, that looks good. So I'm just staying short of that corner so that I can round this. There, I think I can live with that. Yeah, it looks good. So it's always about fine-tuning things. These little red spacers will keep that laser where you need it. Keep drywall from zapping out all the moisture. Do wipe it down with a sponge. Okay, so for this edge, we're going to be doing a Schluter edge. So something like that should work. Sand up your edges. Makes it all nice and soft there. Okay, so we're not going to be necessarily, well, this is going to be kind of temporarily put in because we don't really have an indication of how high we want to have this yet. So just keep that there. About 46.5 inches. That's about normal. But we just wanted to end it right at a half towel so it looks good. And I'm going to do the same thing ending alongside the tub surround. So we're just going to go right from this edge and then straight up. So it's nice to be able to have the flexibility to cut this where you want. Now, ultimately my tub is 30 inches. This is coming out 33 inches, which is good. You want to have a couple inches outside the shower. So when you put your shower rod up, or if you do shower doors, you're going to want a little bit of reveal. So we'll just end this right at the edge of this and go work our way up. So definitely nice to be able to do things custom and not working around, you know, existing walls and existing structure.